Welcome back to County Line TV. I'm gonna start this video talking about how upset I am with myself because we came out here the other day. It has been a couple of days actually. I had to do some NFA stuff. It took a couple of days, but anyway, we were out here the other day and we didn't really have like an agenda. We were just kind of tinkering, and I wish I would have been filming because we actually got quite a bit accomplished, like on accident. So it would have been really nice if we filmed it. But anyway, here's what we did. So I cut these plates and drilled holes in them and put bolts through them. They're not in all the way right now. They're just kind of threaded in my hand, and then I cut this tube to fit. So I guess made a harness bar for this car, Justin's car, and then CJ welded these plates in, and I can't remember what else, but we did a lot. We got quite a bit accomplished. That car's coming along great. This car's coming along great. I'm gonna have to edit out that big pause. But we got a lot done. I wish I was filming. I wasn't. I'm sorry. I'll do better this time. But we're out here again. CJ is being lazy, so I'm gonna weld up this harness bar and we'll see what happens after that. I just remembered what else happened. I knew there was more. I knew there was more like big stuff. And I fixed that. And now my car reads temperature, so my fans work as they're supposed to do and blah blah blah. Things are in the arms of you, far away from here. So anyway, we got a lot done. I'm really bad sometimes about YouTubing. I forgot to film it, but here we are. Let's get some stuff done. Only you can prevent race car fires. Well, that's a project well done on that. We'll convince Justin to paint it pretty soon, but
paint it in just a second.
It ain't too bad. I'm not the best welder in the world, but I'd crash that, you know? It'll save your life once or twice. Maybe. Getting kind of warm in the shop. I had to take my hoodie off. You got the heat on. I'm in here working, welding, getting all spicy with the welder. I think you saw him painting that. I forget. Anyway, so we're doing that. This guy, a toilet paper roll and paper towel roll, whatever it is, and some bar. That's our fine measurements and angles and stuff. But we got the rolled main hoop mock back up in here, and we're getting ready to cut some down tubes. Just measured those out. Got the old Milwaukee should sponsor us, you know, as much Milwaukee stuff as we use. But anyway, about to get these down tubes cut, and then we got to find the angle to cut one side at, and I think the notch will just be like a straight 0-degree notch, right?
Should be. We just turn the bar.
Yeah, to where yeah. So
it really depends on how up and down this is, but yeah.
These down tubes ought to be real easy. At least I'm hoping. Let's get to cut.
power?
Huh?
No power?
Yeah, we don't talk about that. Hey, make sure you avoid going around your wheel adjuster there. If you're going to do something wrong, you might as well do it right enough. This guy is so against running a wire from his headlights to his nice fancy switch panel that he'd rather take his stock adjusters out of his thing here and just zip tie them to his steering column.
I'm haggling it together. Leave me alone.
Listen, friends.
Listen, friends.
Don't be this guy.
I ain't saying it's permanent. I'm just getting it on there for now until we run a wire.
To be honest, it'll work. That part of the column don't move anyway.
Yeah. So,
it is pretty weird though.
It is weird, but it's going to get me there until we can run a wire.
This guy's got a deadline on March 5th, so he's like willing to do some stuff wrong. But this harness bar don't look bad. I'm gonna be honest, it's pretty nice looking. You did a pretty good job painting it, Justin. If you've got a rusty pipe, I've got a life hack for you. So we bust out the old porta power I bought, and this thing is folded a little bit, but we're gonna try to do some stuff. Go give her hell.
You don't want to see it from this side?
Yeah, sure. Well, that's
Not in the right spot.
I mean, it's kind of doing somewhat what we need it to, but it definitely needs to come this way.
Well, all this has been in, so we'll be alright.
Well, we're not getting anywhere. We're not.
We're pushing out this little part.
Oh, did you see that?
That's the sauce.
Yeah.
And we got a rubber mallet just to like persuade this side. I'm not saying that.
I don't know where it's at. That was starting to actually peel that thing apart. That was nice.
If only we could get, maybe if we jam that L shape up in here,
Maybe.
because it can get further that way.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a bunch of in the way though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said we need to solve So, I'll go ahead and show the camera that. I think what we're going to do, since we need to be further over, is we're going to get rid of some of this sheet metal right here, since like whatever, it's a drift car. That way we can get further over in the corner. This whole thing needs to come up some. So we're going to take the cylinder here and put it down there and push up on it. So I don't know. I'm not a body man really, but we're going to straighten this thing out some. That way when he closes the hatch glass, it'll look a little better. Whoa, bud.
I don't think that was good.
Man, touch me. Oh, let's do not scratch the paint. Ooh.
Remember, kids, birth control first.
Oh.
So we cut that crap out of the way, and he's pumping right now. We're getting there. I think I'm gonna get an outside view of it. I'll rip to those safety glasses. Hopefully we get somewhere right in this corner.
Oh, it's working.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, that's perfect. That's doing right what we need. It's going up too, which is money because we need it to go up too. Ooh. Oh wow, I'm recording the wrong thing.
Were you recording your face?
No, I was recording like way up here.
No, that's getting this.
Yeah. Dude, that's money. That metal was creased together so bad. And that porta power is just like, screw you, bud. We're coming out.
It was really cool to see the paint crack all at once.
Dude, that's crazy how well that's working.
You might be coming up on the extent of like the limits because it's starting to suck this in now.
Go a little further.
He said I got a mallet.
She needs loved in certain places. She can be loved in.
All right.
I think you're at, yeah.
Come out later.
I just want to take a second to apologize for my absolutely like 0.9 out of 10 job at filming this. My bad. My bad.
Took these inside just to see how well this fits in. For poos and giggles. Let's just go do this thing.
Yeah, the way too. Oh, I think you're optimistic with OEM mounts.
I understand that, but it's kind of, we gotta figure out which way it need to go.
Oh yeah, all that needs to come out really bad. Yeah. Which yeah, the Bigfoot would help a lot with that. Good thinking there, smart guy. We're using the harness bar that we just made and just painted to push out that area down there that you can see is totally effed. So let's go watch it happen.
Yes, I'm alive and batteries.
Oh yeah, shoes on pusher. Let's say when.
Alright, give it a second. I think we need to move further over now.
Maybe we'll have to like cut that upright out
Yeah.
and
They don't do
go
nothing
just
but
through
hold
there.
down.
Yeah.
We can put a ground anywhere. We can take her to ground pound.
This guy.
Right.
Oh, that's doing it.
We're doing it! Nice!
That's doing a lot.
I'd assume that's enough.
You could even like turn that foot so it's long way so it gets a little bit in the middle.
I'll release it and I'll do that.
Oh, she came back pretty fast. That bitch. Oh my god.
Dude, depending on where that hits at, like we might be able to get this corner back where it's supposed to be.
She's slipping and sliding back, ain't she?
I'm just trying not to get my finger in between it.
Oh, you should definitely keep your fingers in between it. What is this, a 12 ton?
10 times.
10 ton. That's where you should put your finger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She finally ripped that seam off.
Alright.
Dude, it's getting language. It's getting your corner back. We'll just have to like beat it back in once we get it.
That's the line that we're supposed to be using for like the tail light.
You can see where all that paint just
I
went?
thought this was.
Hmm?
I thought, sorry.
No, the seams underneath. See those two creases right there? That's the bevel that follows the taillight.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, this whole time I thought that was caved in. I thought we were supposed to be coming out to. Oh no, that would. I guess what you're saying would make sense because of that hole down there.
Yeah.
Nice hole.
Wow.
I just want to get these to where the taillight will mount back up. Then this can be hammered back, obviously.
Yeah. It's easier to beat it in than it is to pull it back out. So move your head out of the way. So Justin just stuck the taillight back in. Like, we made a lot of progress. That is looking a lot better. It's obviously like baconed right there, but like we still got some massaging to do, and this is like looking way better already. Wow. I'm stoked. We made a new body shop tool. It's we put a bolt on a scissor jack, real fancy. It's a 17. Our new body shop tool is a 17. So we cooled it off the best way possible. We got some snow outside. Let's see how she does. Here, take the camera.
I'll take the camera.
Sauce good. Oh yeah. It's working.
Wow.
No.
What are the odds of that? That's awesome.
Is it hurting the guessing side too much?
No, I don't think so.
I see this side moving a lot.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, it came back a lot too.
We'll give it the sauce again so we can get that on camera.
Yeah, buddy.
So we're body guys now. Yeah? You know what I'm saying? Not too shabby.
That's unfortunately like a
50-50 rule. This car's great now.
Do you have
That's all I'm saying. Oh, you do have a rear bumper to go on here?
I got both bumpers.
Oh, hell
I got
yeah.
both stock bumpers. But
So that was basically just for storage space then, huh?
Yep.
Great.
Good place to keep a
As long
scissor
as
jack.
this can go back up, then we need a little. I need to hit that with a glue gun. But
So
she's
maybe
ready
our
enough.
dashboard jack idea isn't too bad.
Oh, yeah. They're going to steal our idea now, bro. We're
Patent pending.
People are going to start. Don't take my idea. Well, ladies and gents, this video's kind of been a mashup. We kind of just been tinkering with whatever, working on whatever. There's a little break in the middle where we went and played in the snow, since we have a bunch of snow right now. Which we might record some playing in the snow when there's daylight. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.